Aave value equivalent to $103.12 a coin. The present reach: $102.95, $105.95. The earlier day close: $104.26. The change was 1.14, 1.09%. Opposite rate: United States dollars to Aave. Aave value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Aave cost forecast for December 2023. To start with, cost at $98. Most extreme cost $138, least cost $98. The normal for the month $111. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $108, change for December 10.2%. After United States dollars expectations for January 2024. First and foremost, cost at $108. Greatest cost $126, least cost $103. The normal for the month $112. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $111, change for January 2.8%. Aave cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset, cost at $111. Most extreme cost $138, least cost $111. The normal for the month $122. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $129, change for February 16.2%. After United States dollars expectations for WOC 2024. In the first place, cost at $129. Greatest cost $161, least cost $129. The normal for the month $142. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $150, change for spring 16.3%. Aave cost expectation for April 2024. To start with, cost at $150. Greatest cost $186, least cost $150. The normal for the month $165. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $174, change for April 16.0%. After United States dollars expectations for May 2024. Initially cost at $174. Most extreme cost $174, least cost $138. The normal for the month $159. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $148, change for May 14.9%. Aave cost expectation for June 2024. In the first place, cost at $148. Greatest cost $148, least cost $127. The normal for the month $140. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $137, change for June 7.4%. After United States dollars expectations for July 2024. Initially cost at $137. Most extreme cost $162, least cost $137. The normal for the month $147. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $151, change for July 10.2%. Aave cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else, cost at $151. Most extreme cost $151, least cost $127. The normal for the month $142. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $137, change for August 9.3%. After United States dollars expectations for September 2024. At the outset, cost at $137. Most extreme cost $139, least cost $121. The normal for the month $132. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $130, change for September 5.1%. Aave cost expectation for October 2024. To start with, cost at $130. Greatest cost $134, least cost $116. The normal for the month $126. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $125, change for October 3.8%. After United States dollars expectations for November 2024. In the first place, cost at $125. Greatest cost $125, least cost $108. The normal for the month $119. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $116, change for November 7.2%. Aave cost expectation for December 2024. To start with, cost at $116. Greatest cost $144, least cost $116. The normal for the month $128. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $135, change for December 16.4%. Aave cost expectation for February 2026. At the outset cost at $50. Most extreme cost $50, least cost $39. The normal for the month $45. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $42, change for February 16.0%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. To start with cost at $42. Greatest cost $51, least cost $42. The normal for the month $46. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $48, change for spring 14.3%. Aave cost expectation for April 2026. First and foremost cost at $48. Most extreme cost $48, least cost $37. The normal for the month $43. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $40, change for April 16.7%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. To start with cost at $40. Greatest cost $49, least cost $40. The normal for the month $44. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $46, change for May 15.0%. Aave cost expectation for June 2026. First and foremost cost at $46. Most extreme cost $57, least cost $46. The normal for the month $51. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $53, change for June 15.2%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. Before all else cost at $53. Most extreme cost $53, least cost $42. The normal for the month $48. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $45, change for July 15.1%. Aave cost expectation for August 2026. In the first place cost at $45. Most extreme cost $45, least cost $36. The normal for the month $41. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $39, change for August 13.3%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for September 2026. To start with cost at $39. Greatest cost $48, least cost $39. The normal for the month $43. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $45, change for September 15.4%. Aave cost expectation for October 2026. At the outset cost at $45. Greatest cost $50, least cost $44. The normal for the month $47. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $47, change for October 4.4%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for November 2026. Before all else